Hello, friends. Welcome to My Career Doctor. Well, normally you would have seen the videos at My Career Doctor of Hindi medium or English medium students, those who want to transform themselves. But today I have here three students. They are from madrasas actually. They are not from Hindi or English medium. Normally, people have perception that only students from Hindi or English medium can learn better English. But here at My Career Doctor, students from madrasa and the students from Sanskrit school also come to learn English. Today, I have here, what is your name?
Thank you so much. My name is Tausif Kamal and I am from Supol, Bihar.
Thanks a lot. And what is your name?
My name is Abdul Hakim. I come from Jharkhand Sahibganj.
You come from Sahibganj, Jharkhand. And friend, what is your name?
Thank you very much, sir. My name is Amir Hussain and I am from Supol district.
Thanks a lot. Well, I'm going to ask them one by one because they joined this coaching 1.5 months and this boy 2 months before. What is their, where do they stand right now? How much they have improved and what are the chances for future? What they'll do? I think this session is going to be very, very interesting, very fast. Like you said, Amir, that you come from Supol, Birpur, Bihar. Why did you decide to learn English?
So, first of all, I would like to say that right now the demand of English is everywhere. And as I said that my future goal is to become a businessman. And English is a business language. And for that, I think English is necessary to learn. So that's why I thought that if I don't learn English, maybe it's going to be a barrier of my career. That's why I decided to learn English.
That's really very nice. This is why you decided to learn English. You tell me one thing, Mr. Kamal, Tausif Kamal. When you decided to come here, My Career Doctor, what have you learned here? And why did you join this coaching?
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So I would like to say in a nutshell, I have learned a lot of things, but I would like to say in a nutshell. For example, that how to remove our hesitation when I was speaking at my home or when I was studying at my madrasa. I was feeling so hesitation and I was not able to speak anything in front of students or in front of people. But when I came here, I'm feeling very good, and I think that if every person has the power of this kind, so I can speak English right now, not very well, but I can speak. So I removed the hesitation by the teacher of My Career Doctor. So he's so good, and if any person want to learn English in a nutshell, and if he doesn't have passion, so I request him, you can come to Darbhanga. There is a branch by the name of My Career Doctor. You can join and you can learn English also. Okay.
Thank you very much. Abdul Hakim, you come from Sahibganj, which is 500 kilometers away from here. Why did you decide to come and join this coaching?
Thank you so much, sir. Because actually I didn't before come here I didn't learn English because I become a very good scholar. So English is very important is in scholars. So I decided to learn speaking and joined name of My Career Doctor, and I in My Career Doctor in I think very learn by My Career Doctor. So I decided My Career things.
Thank you very much, Abdul. My dear friends, one answer of your questions. आजकल हम वीडियोज़ इसलिए अपलोड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि देर आर सर्टेन डिफ़िकल्टीज़ विद अस हियर एट माई करियर डॉक्टर. बहुत जल्दी ही हम वीडियोज़ अपलोड करेंगे और आप लोगों को बिल्कुल जैसा आप चाहते हैं वैसा ही होगा, बट प्लीज़ हैव पेशेंस. और ये जो बच्चे हैं ये बहुत रेगुलर सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स हैं. व्हेन दे कम हियर they joined this coaching 1.5 months before, or like this boy 2 months before. तो जब से इन लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया तब से रेगुलर लगातार ये आते रहे, पढ़ते रहे, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. और इनफैक्ट यू कैन सी देयर इम्प्रूवमेंट कि बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूव किया इन बच्चों ने. This is why I thought to this must come because normally the people have perception that if you are from madrasa, you are not supposed to learn English. Why? Is English the property of a personal person? The answer is not at all. Who you are, from where you are, what is your caste, creed, religion, reason, never ever these things matter. What matters is if you want to learn, you will learn at any condition by hook and crook. Amir, tell me one thing, like you said that you want to be a businessman, this is why you come. What kind of environment is here at My Career Doctor? Do you feel yourself fit there in that environment or you feel awkward or suffocated?
So, to be honest, I feel very comfortable here at My Career Doctor. The students are very polite. They behave to each other like a friend and brother and sister. And this environment I like the most. And here at My Career Doctor, students help to each other. Always they are ready to help each other because we all have come here to learn, and they don't think superior to each other. They think that we all are equal, and we should teach to each other, and we should learn from each other. And this is how we learn from each other, and I feel very comfortable here, sir.
Thank you. You are a Hafiz.
Yes.
You have studied the Holy Quran.
Yes.
Right. You are a Hafiz, but you are learning English also. How much is it difficult for a Urdu medium, I mean not Urdu medium, a student from madrasa? It is difficult to learn English. You can please share this?
Yes, so normally people have this perception that if you are from Urdu medium or Sanskrit, then you cannot learn English. So this is not appropriate to say that. What the one thing that you need to do is you have to have a passion for something, to do something. If you are passionate about something, if you are dedicated about something, you can do anything, but you have to have that thing from your heart. So this is how I started learning English 2 years before. And that 2 years, if I talk about 2 years before, I didn't know anything about English, and I started learning English from YouTube. And in the starting, I thought it is very difficult, and before 1 year, I watched a video of My Career Doctors where you were saying that if you want to learn English, you have to focus on 4 things like LSRW. So you have to focus these things, and you have to go to each other. You have to go by these 4 things. If these 4 things cannot be separated to each other, if you want to have a command over any language. So I started following these things, and the thing that I focused more on is listening, because the listening is the only thing that when you listen something from somewhere, from someone, then you will come to know that it is right. When if you are remember something, any words, and if you don't know the pronunciation of that word, you will pronounce that word incorrect. So this is, if you hear and listen to others, you will come to know that I'm really speak right or wrong. My pronunciation is right or wrong. When you listen to others, you will come to know the right pronunciation. And this is how I focused more on listening skills. And automatically I started speaking. But nothing will happen just by only listening. You have to practice for your communication skills. So in the starting, I would like to say that those who want to learn English, they should focus in the starting more on listening skills and later speaking skills, because these 2 skills is very, very important for a person who wants to have a command over any language.
Thank you very much. Tausif, you also come from the same background. He is a Hafiz, but you are on the way to be a Hafiz. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. My question is, how much the English language will help you in your life with due respect to the goal which you have?
So first thing that just I want to be a scholar and nothing, just I want to be a great scholar and I want to achieve something, because my hobby is just I want to help the handicapped person and the poor person, because every person says in his childhood and before coming great person he says that I will help and I will support the every person who are handicapped and who are not able to do anything. I will support, but I say and I pray to God every day that don't make me like them. Okay, so I am learning English and I want to be a great scholar, and those things are good, and those things are good, so I will achieve them, I will get those things, and I will spread and I will demotivate the every persons those are in the world, not for only Indian person. Just I want to help and I want to motivate. They are not woke up in the world. I want to suggest them, and I would like to demotivate them with the help with the help of English language, because every person doesn't know how to speak Bengali or how to speak Bhojpuri, how to speak Hindi. It is native language for every person, but English language, as you know that English language is second language in the world that is spoken most. So minimum those people, those are educated and knowledgeable person in the world, obviously and definitely they will know, and they know how to speak in English, so I can give the message that is good, and I can discuss, I can share my opinion. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Abdul Hakim, it has been only 1.5 months. Now you will go back your home. Is it so? In this short span of time which you spent here, 1.5 months, what did you learn and how will you use these things there in your life?
Actually, I learn a lot of things here, because I before come here I didn't know English, but I only I thought English is very difficult, but I come here I thought English is not difficult. English is very easy. So I share English is I want to share English is not difficult, but English is very easy. So not give up in English language, because English language is very easy. So I thank you, sir.
How will you use this language in future?
Sir, I will use share the people of in English, people of in English, and I learn. थैंक यू सर.
ओके, नॉट एन इशू. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा. जब लोग वीडियोस देखते हैं तो उनको लगता है देखते ही मैं सीख जाऊँगा. इन स्टूडेंट्स ने वाकई में दे हैव डन रियली वेरी हार्ड वर्क. आई नो दिस बॉय, ही इज़ ओनली 18. आई गेस यू वुड बी ऑल्सो 18 or 19.
No, sir, 18.
18.
No, not so 18. Just I'm 17, sir.
Only 17. Yeah. एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा. Normally people think that it is English is like cup of tea. It is like rice plate eating. It's not like that. और नहीं बहुत difficult. If you have correct or right mindset, or if you are working in right direction, nothing is impossible. Like मुझे याद है ये बच्चा जब साहिबगंज से आया था अपने एक फ्रेंड के साथ हिम्मत करके. आपका वो फ्रेंड जो मदरसा से है लेकिन आज गायब हो गया. Right? Should I take his name? लिव इट. देयर इट इज़. तो वो फिर क्या कहते हैं कि वो आज नहीं आया, जिन्होंने आज इसको यहाँ पर लाया, अब्दुल हकीम को, और ही वर्कड रियली वेरी हार्ड. तो नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होगा लेकिन एक दिन ज़रूर होगा. तो प्लीज़ बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. आप किसी भी मीडियम से, आप संस्कृत मीडियम से हैं या उर्दू मीडियम से हैं. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्कॉलर्स वेदर दे आर फ्रॉम संस्कृत और उर्दू और लाइक अरबिक, दे स्पीक ग्रेट इंग्लिश. You can also, but you have to have, right approach and positive attitude towards that. What would you like to say the viewers and subscribers in the last, your message from your experience here at My Career Doctor and in the journey of learning English? In short,
I would say to the viewers that if you are watching watching us and you are thinking that English is very easy because they have learned English, so it is very easy. It's not like that. How can it easy? If you are passionate or dedicated about English or anything, it will become easy. And if you are not passionate or interested about anything, it will become burden for you. So whenever you want to do something, be passionate and just move forward. This is the only way to learn anything or do anything in future if you want to be successful in future.
Yeah. If you are not passionate or interested, that will be burden for you. Your opinion.
So, so I would like to say the all viewers who are watching this video that if you want to learn English, it is necessary to be ambitious person and passionate. You should have the passion to learn anything, not only English, to learn Sanskrit, to learn Holy Quran, to learn any language or any things, any subject. You should have the passion and ambition. It is so necessary. And I want to say that never compare each other. For example, there is a younger boy than you, and you are saying that he is younger than me and he can speak very well than me. So never do like this, because if you do, then you will obviously demotivated and you can't and you will be destroyed by this statement. So never compare each other that he is younger than me and he can speak. Don't say. And and nothing happens, only these things. You have to struggle a lot of as well as, and you have to believe on yourself that I can do. You know that you can guess that how did the scientist make the aeroplane and the bulb and the fan, etc. How did you can guess, okay? Because it was so difficult to make in ancient, I mean that in beginning stage, but they never gave up. Many people say that he's mad, this, that, but they never gave up. So you shouldn't be never give up to learn any languages. So okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you very much for watching and having patience. I hope you must learn something. Thank you very much for My Career Doctor. Stay happy and